I'll be the first to tell you that we are going all in on our social media in 2022 as a company. And to your point of the reasoning why we're doing that is because our goal is to give, like, our goal is not to like acquire new customers through this. Our goal is to give the people that do follow us, because when we are active, when I'm personally active on social media, it's my best networking tool. Like it's literally
No
is my best networking tool. When I'm personally active, it just comes. No matter what it is, something's going to come. You know, we're sales guys. Like we're in the sales process. You put one of these podcasts out, so it's on somebody's mind, that somebody saw it, somebody's thinking IT, they're calling you. It's a very similar thing that we're at right now. So personally, we're going all in on our social media in 2022, like it all ways in one, because we want to truly like give people the understanding of what today's business is. And it's not we want to give them, we want to tell the story like, hey, we are a digital marketing agency that does work with all sorts of brands, including athletes and companies. Not that we're an athlete agency and a social media marketing company or a digital marketing agency. Like that's our main mission. And I think that's, to our point, we go back to the steps. It's, coming up with a plan, execute on a plan, and being accountable on it, but going all in on the vertical social media. Kind of like the segue, the three steps.